Hey guys, this is Selene from ORIEMAC. What we see now is LIUGONG 4215D motor grader. It would be shipped from Shanghai port. Now come with me. With an operating weight of 16,500 kg, the grader features robust structure and excellent stability. Whether it's road construction, mine maintenance, or land leveling, it could handle harsh working conditions very well. Next, let me show you more details. The grader is equipped with a 217 horsepower Cummins engine, maintains strong power even under the demanding applications. With a 4.27-meter wide bed, the grader delivers precise and efficient performance for leveling, slope work, and road maintenance, suitable for many working conditions. Today, it with the optional configuration of front dozer and rear reaper, which makes it more efficient. The cab is spacious, offers excellent visibility, and is easy to operate. Combined with a comfortable seat, it helps reduce operator fatigue and improves both efficiency and safety. As a machinery exporter with 18 years of experience, we also offer various models of excavators, bulldozers, road rollers, cranes, and others. If you have any needs, welcome to contact. Thank you for watching. Bye.